And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me.
Cut you up, you know.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the
Now get no breakfast. What? I'm gonna tell you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared?
I lie.
Huh?
God no. I told lie.
This is all out. I get it. This is not enough for you.
If you tap Jimmy Screech, you know. What is he saying? You put your finger right in me, Alec, here.
Really, babes?
Yeah, really bears me. Alright, can't let it go now. Giselle, pass the box on your left, me, please. Yeah, let's take up a put on here, so. Hold you on there, bottom, you know. Make it drop out. Yeah.
Walk to you know. Yeah.
No, mate.
Let's see the boy doesn't.
What is it, though?
I might just try some.
Four close enough?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Later. No, no. Hmm? There's no painting going on.
They're painting it one over there.
Hmm?
But when I want to paint.
You want dry night?
Eh?
You want dry night?
Dry night.
Draw. Flowers and something.
Oh.
It's like what they do for mama. I'm doing it now.
Oh, it's painting the one I grabbed it.
But you have to paint first and then in draw. Funny.
One I do paint for myself.
I don't know.
Can you do? I think a good one to do is to do clouds and angels. Like maybe 2 angels on each side. So do a cloud and 2 angels, like blowing the trumpet and Massa going up. Like that. I think that would be nice. Eh?
Mm-hmm.
I think that would be nice. This family using the kind of.
Where is the blooming hammer? Oh.
I have to go the one I video I put up tomorrow. I have to go re-edit that the one day because me just somebody clip them and they put up ahead of time. So I have to go re-edit that and try and edit it now, and then I go deal with some school stuff. My face. Let me turn off the pot. Turn off the peace pot. That will already know. I'm bringing my laptop charger, please. You want the yellow one? Where? The Mario Sound don't need it. No.
May I use it? Use the saw. I'm using it with the saw.
You're using it with the saw? I don't know. Somebody can plug it over here.
Alright, this one.
They went from wearing sandals, now feeling out the boot.
I'll buy one rubber boot tomorrow. Can I manage the slippers?
So what you need to put you on today?
Me not be.
What do you mean? Where you not be? Where rubber boot there?
Me toe squeeze up, man. I can't go on it. Me not like it on black.
Oh, from when you were bucky just now?
No, they laugh for me. And me did I did.
I feel they laugh for you.
Wow, no.
Eh?
Not be faith alone.
Ah, boy.
That's how you go, Sean. See him here. That's how you apply till concrete with chewing.
Huh?
I don't know, put a pulley out back.
Pull out where?
Yeah, full of ice sitting already.
I know you catch me, my youth. Are you cause it still?
Doorway. Remember, say you have to do it with doorway. You have 32 door you put there. You have make sure you remember if you not chop off nothing again.
Who that? Me or you?
Right. You. I want to see that make me help.
So you can see the decking and yeah, all the guys, so you just have to sit out that one here because only for you down there, so early in the morning casting. The next couple hours then we finish this. So it's not that huge. A lot of people come to support. A lot of young guys. I'm a virgin now. Yeah. I put the drone up in the air to make it closer. But basically that. Oh?
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. At the end of the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.